Day 3, here it is. 3? Yeah, day 3, here it is. Today is the day. I finally have dry lumber. I have enough lumber. I should be able to get this wall up. I am over this wall. I'm ready to be done with it. I know you guys are too, so let's hop into it. Finally, knock it out. You know, how many people get to say that they get to build their own home? You know, again, granted, tiny home, whatever, still my home, still excited to build it. I'm loving it. Everything is coming together so far. So, what I'm going to do, I need you, I can use you over here. So, I'm going to lift this part up. If you kind of walk these up so they don't fall out. That would be so good. Hey. Yeah? Okay, that's what we're doing. That means I think on this measure, this piece right here, so, I'm going to try to fit this again. flush with it?
Yeah.
All the way across?
Yeah.
All right, just like that, wall number 2, done. I have plenty of more nails I need to drive in, but for today, day 3, huge success. Huge shout out to my mother-in-law. She came over and helped me lift this up and put it down and whatnot, because I made some errors on measuring, of course. But so now, next is gonna be finishing the fastening with the nails and the screws and whatnot, but then it's gonna be building in this front way and add the door and then plumbing. Can't wait. Thanks for joining me, and we'll make this whole series as long as we can, but not as boring as boring as all get out. But again, thanks for joining me. Tune in for the next one. Have fun exploring.